Okay. Here we
Slithery
go.
on
We
the
just got
fan.
Pensacola, and this is what we do with our lives. Wait. Is it filming right now?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
He didn't make it. There you go.
Wait. Let me.
Let's see Slithery's feelings on this.
Let me fix it. Alright. You ready?
I'm ready.
Wait, please get a close-up of this. Of the little switch.
Slithery! Speak to me! Speak to me, Slithery!
Wait, throw him back on! Throw him back on!
Hold on, you film! Get it! Speak to me, Slithery! Oh, fuck! I almost knocked down this vase!
I told you those bases were gonna get
Actually, you said those pots are gonna come
Oh, shut up. Same difference.
Slithery is alright.